Hey everybody, how you doing? So today I wanted to show you how far I gotten on my landscaping project. If you saw my first landscape project, you saw I started tearing a bunch of stuff out. Well, I got a lot of more stuff tore out. I thought I would share it with you if you're interested. Let's go see if Gridley over here wants to go show everybody our yard. Gridley, want to go show everybody our yard? I guess so. Let's go do it. So we're walking out into my front yard. You can see I really took out just about everything. That stump I still have to dig out. I'm trying to start with a clean canvas and really simplify the landscaping in the front. I made the emphasis on the century plant. These big plants that look kind of like a cactus. A lot of people confuse these for cactus and aloe, but what it really is called a century plant. The official name is Agave Americana. But they live about 10 to 30 years. They're beautiful, and I thought they really should be the showcase of the front yard. So I started by purging just about everything of the old bushes. And if you see in the first video, and I'll put some pictures up here, it was so overgrown. And once I cleaned all that stuff out, these plants really stood out to me that they should be the focal point. I ended up pulling the azalea bushes out. A lot of people suggested I don't. They were overgrown as well. We cut them back. It just didn't appeal to me. Of course, I do gotta put new stones in because tearing all the plants out, you could see there's some patches there that need some stones. This is one of my bottle brush trees, freshly trimmed up. And you can see the hedges were cleaned up real nice. And then coming over to the island over here, you can see the palm trees doing great. Cleaned a lot of this stuff up. That cactus is really cool, and it's just hardy. It looks really, really healthy. Come in my backyard. See, I got another bottle brush. I have several bottle brush trees. You get that nice red flower on them. And we're coming past my lanai towards the bird cage area. And of course my orange tree, my Chinese palm trees. Doing wonderful. I have a little garden area back there. It's kind of cool. Here we have the dreaded power lines. Of course, on the camera it looks pretty far away, but if my plants were there, I'd be staring at those power lines out in my bird cage. Definitely watch Robin Cavallero's video. I'll put a link down below on Have You Been Lied To kind of thing, and she mentions power lines in there, which is pretty cool because it's one of my pet peeves. If there's a house you love and there's power lines there which you hate, sometimes you can camouflage it with some nice landscape, and unfortunately I got plenty in the back, so it does a good job. So anyway, that's where I'm at with my yard. Probably got one or two more big phases to go through to get it just right. And also I'm thinking about doing some cool lighting. We'll see. There you go. Well, there you have it. Gridley says, let's go for a walk, Dad. Let's go for a walk. So, I'll take care of him. Thanks for watching the videos, liking, subscribing, sharing, all that cool stuff. And man, it's beautiful out here, isn't it? So, anyway, see you on the next video. Bye.